part of the head office support team here at Revive.
And this is Revive Under the Spotlight.
One word or phrase that makes you think of Revive.
For me, working here, I think of unity with Revive.
Painting. I don't know why, but straight away painting comes to mind because of the guys out there with paint guns just painting cars all day.
I think fun and trust, but you only want one.
Red.
Yeah, I suppose that works. I'd probably go Unity.
Repairs. Very good one. Repairs.
Turbocharge.
Turbocharge, yeah.
I can't hear the word turbocharge without thinking of Mark and Revive now.
Power Hour. Family. Family's an easy one.
Support, I suppose, from my side as well with bringing in new franchisees.
I think outstanding is a really good one.
Yeah.
Because it is one, obviously we put it into our values, spoke about that, about outstanding customer service. And I think it's not just being like, we are great at customer service, we go above and beyond.